Hey guys, welcome. In this lecture, we are going to refactor our codes. Okay, now what we can do is over this row widget, we can highlight and use Control and dot, and we're going to go to this extract widget. And you can see it's asking for the name of the widget. We can call this welcome test. Click on enter. Okay, seems good. And you're going to see it right over here. And now what we can do is within the bias directory, or we can just create this within the nav screen. Within the nav screens, we can create a new folder and we can call this folder widgets. Okay. And then within this widget folder, we can then create a new file and we can call this welcome underscore test underscore widgets and then the dot. Okay, and basically what we just have to do is to copy and paste that. Okay, it starts from here and we just have to align everything over here, use Ctrl and C to copy. And definitely we're going to have all those errors since we just recently deleted it. Okay, back to the welcome underscore test and we can then paste this over here. And now we have to import the material, the dot package, alight and use Ctrl and dot. Okay, seems good. And now we have to import it. Okay, over here. And we have to import that file to this. I like to use Ctrl and dot. And okay, seems good. And over here, what we also do have to do is to import this SVG widget, SVG picture widget. Okay, seems good. And nothing is gonna change. And now our code look more cleaner. And also we can do the same for this other widget. That is the search widget over here. And to do this, we can alight again and use Ctrl and dot and extract widget. And we can call the search input. Okay, it is a class, so it expects the first word to be a capital letter. And click on enter. Okay, you can see it over here, search widgets. Oh, sorry, we can't, okay, we can just call this, just gonna alight and use Ctrl and dot. And I'm gonna call this search input widget. The reason for this is so we do not conflict with uh, other widgets. In case we have maybe a widget in Flutter known as search input or something like that. Okay, great. And now within this widget folder, we can then create a new file and we can call this file search underscore input underscore widget dot. And now back to the home screen. We can then copy this over here or cut. And now we have to paste that within the search input widget file. And definitely we have to import the material, the dot package. Okay, and also we do have to import the SVG picture location. Okay, great. And now we have to import this. Okay, seems good. And nothing is going to change. And what I can just do is get rid of this unused import. And now our code is looking much more cleaner.